And we're back. Jak się majete? Welcome back to Milo's Garage, and today we are working on a 2003 Jeep Liberty. This is my second purchase from Copart. So before we proceed, let me give you a quick update on Veloster. I took Veloster to tire shop. We're getting wheel alignment since both of the outer tie rods are replaced, and then after that vehicle is good to go. I did drove it for the last 2 days. I managed to get insurance and the registration. As you guys all know, the vehicle was bought from Copart, and Copart is mostly salvage auction. Yeah. So when I went to my registry here in Edmonton, Alberta, I guess I needed some kind of a documentation to go for salvage inspection. When I came there, guess what? The vehicle has active title. Great success! Great success. Even though on the bill of sale it was declared as salvage. So I'm not sure if that's a mistake by insurance or whoever. I'm good to go. In the video that you guys will be watching today, I will go very quickly over the repairs on the Veloster. So I did have ABS lights on. I managed to find the broken wire, fix it. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, here is the cause of our ABS malfunction. What I'm planning to do is just simply cut this and have it taped with electrical tape. Simple as that. Okay, moment of truth. So let's see if we were successful in fixing the ABS. It has disappeared, guys. Great success. Great success. So happy. Airbox resonator. Brand new one.
Ako platno je čist list, a olovka kis, riječi boje, pa onda su strofe slike moje, slike Bosne, u dane posne, gdje majkama su oči rosne, a vođama u glavi fale fosne. Prodaju im iver iz Evrope gosti, za kusur broje se kosti, ma Bože me oprosti, hvala lopati, ali ja ne bih kopati, zašto vrijeme stopati, kad stomak hoće klopati, nestalo čednosti, izopačen je sistem vrijednosti, pitam se stvarno ko je tu u prednosti, silikonske gubice, uske buzice, turbofold pudlice, kurvice,
Fender
su za curice, mama culice, ko ludi klinci zagrizli udice, dok masovne ubice zatrpavaju sudnice, i boli, što dopom se u školi roli soli, a pamet nam u glavama politički idoli, pa od bola vrištim, zaražen ludilom čistim, i vidi mislim da nismo položili ispit, blesav jesam, svjestan da sam zapaljiva skesa, čekam da eksplodira hrpa krvi i mesa, kad vidim gdje sam i s kim, kako ostati fin, postati prvi srpski sin koji igra za tim, kad tim je skup vedeta, produkt varljivog ljeta, Biblija marketa, genija da nije sveta.
Okay, I'm happy how this line turned up. I will compare it to the other side. Well, as you can see, the only thing that I'm struggling right now with is this plastic inside is broken and is squeaking, and it's causing me issues.
You're traveling to another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. That's the signpost up ahead. Your next stop, the Twilight Zone.
I'm hard on this grind, stay above the poverty line before I do U.S. correctional facility time. Why hang with fake people trying to fuck me in the end? On a big scale, government corruption gave me corrupted friends. It's big business, but shit, I'm system pimping, man. Arizona Department Health Service WIC program. Take care, exit juice, not a slave neck in the noose. Get tax-free cash like immigrating Mexicans do. Under the table payments, business arrangements, hustling U.S. mindset. Isn't it amazing? Gangsters keep pistols raising, blazing, and hair-raising situations just to keep food on the table. Babies say graces and thank them. Really the praises for God, but it's odd that it's a killer in a squad. Get it by any means necessary so you get shot like Malcolm in the Autobomb. For your necklaces, bracelets, charms, and all your credit cards. Woo! Imam dobar plan. Rješimo trikom svaki problem nam. Imam dobar plan. Rješimo trikom svaki.
Okay, so front bumper's on, finally. Pretty happy how it turned out. I do miss this bumper bracket here, and I do miss a couple of this screws from the bottom, like to hold the bumper. I will try to give it a quick wash. Definitely.
Al takav zvuk slobo se prodaje, ako stranac mi gazi blještove odaje. Na napokoj grani, neki znani, a rani, sve nam ide stani. Pani u šali, nekako prolaze dani, vrte se meridijani. Sramota šta sujet u hrani, ravni ekrani, puni tajnik. Priču da skratim, frustriran datim, ipak se smijem novom jutru, nebo i tragovi zlati. I silno želim da sve bude kako treba, da budemo ponos ako neko možda gleda sa neba. Igara i hljeba, sve što ti sjeda, ovdje su moji ljudi, moja sreća i moja bijeda.
Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Let me know what do you think about Hyundai Veloster. Is it something that you would drive? Yeah, I would appreciate some likes and some subs as well. So yeah, thank you.